To the online viewing for number 35 Ashburton Road. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property with no onward chain. And then moving into the property, we can see the porch area here and the front door. And then we have stairs going up to the first floor. We have some newly fitted carpets in the property as well. And then around to the dining area, facing towards the front of the property. And then opening through to the lounge area, which has double doors out to the garden. So a nice spacious living area. Come around to the kitchen. Again, a good size. Another door going out into the garden. And we also have a utility room. And then also going into the office, where there's a further door out to the front of the property. And then onto the first floor landing. There are 3 bedrooms on this floor and the shower room. So the first bedroom here, good sized double room. And we have a view of the garden from this room. Then around to the second bedroom, again a good sized double room. Bedroom 3, which also has a built-in storage cupboard. And then across to the shower room. There's also a fitted cupboard in here which houses the gas boiler. Moving outside, where we have a flagged garden which has got steps going down to a further raised decked seating area. We can just look back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.